So I'm here now in Ush, Kyrgyzstan, and this is the animal market. As you could see, we're a little bit late. We arrived here about 10 o'clock, and they started about 5:30 in the morning for doing auctions. So we're still catching up, but still plenty of animals for sale. We are now in the animal market here in Ush to do some auctions for sheep, goat, any kind of animal. Having auctions for some sheep. This has been sold already. Buy by bulk, like how many sheep you want. They're selling some potatoes in here as well. Different kinds of food. So this horse is already sold by auction. I just met a Kyrgyzstan Ush journalist here in this market.
My name is Atakum.
Already 2 cows sold. You could negotiate if you want. And there's another one has been sold already in there. See, my shoes is already very dusty.